Hi there, this is Janelle. I'm creating this recording today to demonstrate how to use Quiz Manager within Blackboard Collaborate version 12. I think you'll find Quiz Manager to be a very handy little tool when it comes to collecting data during the assist and show portions of your Class Connects. Quiz Manager is something that you want to be sure you are prepared to use within your Class Connects. You want to create your quizzes before class, whether it's the day before class or 20 minutes before class. It's not something you want to do on the fly during class. But the information you collect will indicate how your overall class has performed, but also how each individual student has performed. So to use Quiz Manager, you're going to go up here to Window, go to Show Quiz Manager. We are creating a brand new quiz, so we want to click on the icon with the star. This is going to be a multiple choice quiz. There is also the option of creating a short answer quiz. Details for creating a short answer quiz will be included within the printed material that you're provided within this particular email. So I'm going to title this quiz Active Reading, and I also like to add a date just for my reference. To create your first question, click on the question mark with the plus symbol. Okay, now to load your multiple choice answers, click on the icon with the three bubbles and the plus symbol. You need to do that for each multiple choice option you are providing. Click on the three bubbles with the plus symbol. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to make sure you go ahead and choose the correct answer. So for this particular question, visualizing is the correct response. So you click on the red X, which then changes to a green check mark. When you're ready to create your next question, go ahead and click on the question mark with the plus symbol and load your next question. Click on the three bubbles with the plus symbol to begin to load your answer choices. Okay. And for demonstration purposes, actually, before I move on to the next question, I need to choose my correct response. Which of the following is a text-to-text connection? We're going to say this choice here is the correct response. I'm going to load one more question by clicking on the question mark with the plus symbol. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on the icon with the three bubbles and the plus symbol to load my multiple choice answers. Remember, you have to do this each time you load a choice. And I'm going to choose the correct response, which would be all of the above, by clicking on the red X, which now changes to a green check mark. So now I have finished creating my quiz. I'm going to save it by clicking on the icon here with the disk. This actually saves the quiz to the Quiz Manager library. If you would like to save it to your desktop, you can do that as well. From within the Quiz Manager library, you would click on Save Quizzes to a File, Save Selected Quizzes, and then click on the quiz that you want to actually save to your desktop. Click on Save, and then choose your location for where you would like to actually save the quiz. Okay, so now let's say that you're in class and you are ready to have your students take the quiz. You're going to go up here to Window, Show Quiz Manager. If you created this quiz just before class began, it should automatically appear here within your library. If not, then you would click on this icon here, load an existing quiz into the quiz library, and track it down from wherever you saved it onto your desktop. Okay? Alrighty, so here as the moderator, I can go through quickly and verify that this is actually the quiz that I want my students to take. And when I am ready to send the quiz out to the students, what I will do is click on the icon with the green arrow. You may choose to time the quiz. If you want to do that, you can set the timer up using this icon here. But for our demonstration purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and push the quiz out to the students. Now on my other computer, I'm logged in as a student, so I'm going to go ahead and take the quiz. And I am going to go ahead and submit the quiz as a student. And here on the moderator's end, this is what you see. First of all, you see a summary of how the overall class performed on each individual question. And then if you would like to see how each individual student performed on each question, you may do that as well. I'm not sure if you guys saw how I did that. I just changed the option here in the drop-down box. You may choose either summary for overall class results or choose the student to see how each individual student performed. And then once you have done that, you want to click on Close the Quiz. You don't want to keep the kiddos waiting too long. When you click on Close the Quiz, that automatically saves those responses to the Quiz Manager library. So maybe once all the students have logged out, if you want to take some time to go back into the Quiz Manager library to access those results, go to Window, Quiz Manager, Show Quiz Manager. And here you see this is actually the file that's saved. It includes the results. So when it says written with the date and time, that's what you want to access to be able to take a look at that data. So you can click on that, and it just pops back up in your Blackboard Collaborate classroom. Now you do also have the option of saving these results to your desktop. And here's how you would do that. Go to Window, Show Quiz Manager. And if this is what you want to save are the results, the active reading 9/23/12 written results, then you click on the icon here with a little blue folder, and then choose the location that you would like to save those results to, wherever that might be. And that way you can access them at any time within Blackboard Collaborate. Okay, so now I will go ahead and end this recording, but I will also provide you with a recording that demonstrates how Quiz Manager appears from the student's view.